Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to your mobile device. First, make sure your Sony headphones have sufficient battery power, ideally over 50%. Next, power on your headphones and put them into Bluetooth pairing mode, usually by pressing and holding a specific button for a few seconds. Then, grab your mobile device and open its settings, looking for the Bluetooth option. Once in your mobile device's Bluetooth settings, you will need to scan for new devices. Your Sony headphones should appear in the list, often with their model name. Tap on your headphone's name to initiate the connection. Sometimes, a confirmation prompt will appear on your phone or headphones. Simply accept it to complete the pairing process. This usually takes only a few seconds. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A common fix is to simply power cycle both your headphones and your mobile device. Also, confirm that your headphones are not already connected to another device, like a laptop or tablet. If problems persist, consider performing a factory reset on your Sony headphones, which can resolve many connectivity glitches. Consult your headphones manual for specific reset instructions. For the best experience, try to keep your mobile device within 10 meters of your headphones to maintain a strong and stable Bluetooth connection. Regularly check for and install any available firmware updates for your Sony headphones, as these often bring performance enhancements and new features. Finally, remember to properly disconnect your headphones when you are finished listening to conserve their battery life and your phones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.